Hey there, welcome to Bob's Cooking and Stuff. It's late June, looks like it's going to rain outside. Don't want to heat up the house by turning on the oven or the stove, so we're going to do a no-cook pea salad that's so simple you're not going to believe it, and it's absolutely delicious. Stay tuned. Okay, we're going to cut a red onion. We're going to use about half of this one. You need half a cup of onion. If it's a weeknight and you're just getting home from work and you don't want to lift a finger more than you have to, this recipe's for you. This is a no-cook, 4-ingredient pea salad that you can throw together in minutes. It's creamy, it's crunchy, and it tastes even better the next day after it's been chilling in the fridge. We're using a red onion. You can use green onions or a sweet onion if the red is too strong for your taste. Okay, now we're going to put this onion in the bowl. Okay, now we're going to come in and we're going to add a cup of mayonnaise. In case you're wondering, we always use Duke's mayonnaise. Okay, now we're going to add a cup of shredded cheddar cheese, which is half of a bag. We're going to mix that up. I like to mix this before I add the peas in to keep from mashing the peas when I'm stirring. Now we're going to add the star of the show, frozen green peas that have been thawed. Okay, now we will mix those again. We're mainly just trying to fold these in again to keep from mashing the peas. You want to get the mayonnaise covered on all the peas. Now we're going to add some pepper, a little bit of salt, as an option we're going to add some bacon bits, we'll stir just enough to get that incorporated. Please like, comment, and share. Now you could eat this right away, but trust me, if you can wait, pop it in the fridge overnight. The flavors meld, the peas stay crisp, and it's just next level delicious. If you've stayed with us this far, please subscribe to the channel for more recipes. Okay, there you have it. No cook pea salad. Simplest recipe you could find, but really delicious. Thanks for watching.